Hi folks, I've been thinking about giving my 93 Les Paul Studio a bit of a new look and tidy it up. This was actually my main guitar for about 10 years. I actually got the guitar in 95, but it was brand new. The gold plating on the pickups and the hardware is actually starting to fade quite badly. The pickups are actually the 490s and the 498 in the bridge, which is actually the same pickups as a Les Paul Custom, so we should have a pretty similar sound. There's a fair bit of tarnishing on the frets now, general gunk on the fingerboard, so I'll be polishing up the frets and clearing that. There is a bit of wear around the edges now, that I've just realised. There's a few chips along the bottom as well. Yeah, I was thinking about putting faux binding on this. I did actually change the scratch plate on this a few years ago for a free ply. I think it added to the look a bit. Strings off tight. Just cleaning the gunk off the board. Right in the corner of the frets, it's accumulated. I'm just using naphtha or lighter fluid, some lemon oil, condition the board a bit. It's not been done for years, so I've actually got a wee bit of fret sprout here. So I've got a beeswax and oil preparation that I've made myself. Sticking that on the board as well just now, just to give it a bit of protection while I do clean the frets. So I've just got one of the cleaning pads I use in the kitchen. It's a nice job if it's just needing a wee quick clean up. I just decided I'm going to round off the corners, give it that nice bullet shape like I done on my Lee Strat. Yeah, it certainly takes a while. One corner. So once we've got that nice bullet shape, I've got this wee buffer pad for doing fingernails. Just giving it a wee polish off of that now. Yeah, seems to work well. So here's the difference before. Nice and jaggy, nice and smooth. It gets a bit awkward around here. Just got to be careful and tape off the front of the guitar. Just going down the different polishes. Well, because I'm used to the rolled fretboards on my fenders now, the edges on the studio seem rather sharp. I'm going to try a different method of rolling these because it's actually varnished up to the edge of the fretboard. Yeah, so just using a razor on this. Well, actually a Stanley blade this is. Just to take it down a little. Right, now I can press it in. It doesn't need much, it's just to take that really sharp edge off. That's a lot better. So I'm going to attempt the fake binding. The actual binding layer should be 1/4 inch to match the maple top. Any more than that and you're going into the mahogany. So I've just prepared this Stanley blade with 1/4 inch exposed. So fingers crossed, no turning back. Just taking it gradually down. I think this will take a while. Eighth of an inch blade now to the top. Just putting a little stain on the edge here because at some parts you actually see the mahogany come through, so I'll just blend the two. I've got the pickup rings, but they're usually provided with a flat bottom. I think Gibson do a wee bit of heat bending with them. It does end up with them like coming at a strange sort of arc at the top of the pickup, so I marked them off and I filed it down to the line. It's also slightly taller than the original rings, but we'll see how it goes. I might have to take it down a bit more. I've got the pickup surrounds on. I'm just going to give it a wee coat of true oil onto the exposed wood. A second coat. Just loving the way it's turned out. Third party plastics certainly cost a lot less than Gibson's and they look just as good in my opinion. I love the fret ends, they're really nice, they feel so smooth. Maybe I should change the truss rod cover to maybe standard or possibly custom now. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Would you do the same to your studio? It's turned out really nice and I'm glad I've done it. But would you actually do it yourself? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and whatever else you need to do to keep my channel going. Cheers.